Hi, today I'm here with my Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the wallpaper and style section. Then click here change wallpaper, and here we can see all the available folders with the wallpapers, which we can select and just to set to our lock screen. If you want to use photos from your device gallery, just click to my photos, and here you can select the new photo from your camera roll or download it from the internet photos. For example, let's use one from this available download photos, for example this one. Just here, wait a second, we can change the position of the wallpaper. You can see how this wallpaper will look on the lock screen. Click on the right down corner and tap to lock screen. Wait just a second. Wallpaper is set successfully. And now, now we can see. Okay, let's just set the lock screen lock method to see, for example, the pattern, to see our wallpaper. So confirm. Done. Now let's just lock it, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while with your finger the home screen, then click to wallpaper and style, and by the same way click to change icon, select your, let's for example use a downloaded photo. Okay, that's just the downloaded screen. Okay, so let's use another one just by the same way. Click the right down corner, tap to lock screen, and that's it. So as you can see, that's so simple. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.